Have you ever wondered why Stash seems to be dipping into your bank account without your explicit permission? It's a question that has puzzled many users of the popular investing app. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons behind Stash's automatic withdrawals and explore whether they're justified. Stash is a popular investment app that offers a simplified way to start investing, even with small amounts of money. One of its key features is automatic investing, which allows users to set up recurring contributions to their investment accounts. While this feature is convenient, it can also be a source of confusion if you're not fully aware of how it works. Understanding Stash's automatic withdrawals. Stash's automatic withdrawals are typically triggered by the recurring investment schedule you've set up. When your chosen investment day arrives, Stash will attempt to withdraw the specified amount from your linked bank account. This withdrawal is necessary to fund your investment purchases. Potential reasons for automatic withdrawals. Recurring investment schedule. If you've set up a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly recurring investment, Stash will automatically withdraw funds on the designated days. Dividend reinvestment. If you've opted to reinvest dividends from your investments, Stash will use the dividends to purchase additional shares, which may require additional funds. Account fees. In some cases, Stash may charge fees for certain services or account types. These fees will be deducted from your account balance, potentially resulting in automatic withdrawals. Verifying your investment settings. To ensure that your automatic withdrawals are in line with your investment goals, it's important to review your Stash account settings. Check your recurring investment schedule, dividend reinvestment options, and any applicable fees. If you find any discrepancies, make the necessary adjustments. Troubleshooting issues with automatic withdrawals. If you're experiencing unexpected automatic withdrawals, here are some troubleshooting steps you can take. Review your investment settings. Double-check your recurring investment schedule and other account settings to ensure they're correct. Check your bank account. Verify that there are sufficient funds in your linked bank account to cover the automatic withdrawals. Contact Stash customer support. If you're still unable to resolve the issue, reach out to Stash's customer support team for assistance. Is Stash taking your money without your consent? While it may seem like Stash is taking money from your account without your permission, it's important to remember that you've authorized these withdrawals by setting up recurring investments. However, if you're concerned about the frequency or amount of the withdrawals, it's a good idea to review your investment strategy and make any necessary adjustments. Stash's automatic withdrawals are a convenient feature that can help you build wealth over time. However, it's essential to understand how they work and ensure that they align with your investment goals. By reviewing your account settings and troubleshooting any issues, you can maintain control over your finances and make the most of your Stash investment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.